Hey YouTube, it's your girl Asia and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this middle part half up, half down with this cute little flower clip. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Of course, stay tuned until the end of today's video to see the results, how I got my hair like this. Go ahead and follow my social medias. I'm going to put them on the screen and then we're going to get straight into the video. So this is my hair in the bonnet, so I'm going to go ahead and take that off. And my hair is looking a quite bit of a mess right now, which is usually how it looks when I take it out of the bonnet once I wake up in the morning. So I am going to fluff my hair out just a tad bit. And then I am going to go ahead and add some water to my hair. I'm not going to drench my hair in that water, but I am going to go ahead and get my hair kind of damp. This is because my hair kind of dried up in the middle of the night, of course. So this is going to add that moisture back into my hair, as well as the water helps me manipulate my hair once I'm doing a specific type of hairstyle. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my oil. I do love this oil. It smells really good. I got it from Sephora. It was a little bit pricey, but I think it's worth it. Now this is just to get my hair to be a little bit shiny, a little bit more moisturized than what we started with. And then I'm going to go ahead and take this mousse from Aussie. I believe that's how you pronounce it. I recently started using this mousse, so I'm still, trying it out to see if I really like it, but I am going to go ahead and take some of that and scrunch that into my curls to get my curls back popping. And now I'm going to go ahead and take my comb, and since we are doing a middle part half up, half down, we are going to need that middle part. So here I am just parting that out. Now it took me a couple of attempts to get my middle part straight, and still I feel like my middle part is never truly straight. But once you get your middle part, you are going to go ahead and get that side part going on too. Now I do go from my ear to about the crown of my head, the top of my head, halfway. I don't like to go ahead and rip my hair, but I do like to section it off, make sure that part is straight, and then I'm going to proceed with doing the other side. Now I did claw clip back that extra hair in the back so it is out of my way and it doesn't mess up the part that I just created. And I'm going to go ahead and use this curl cream to basically slick back my hair. I don't like to use gel on my curls because I do think that is really harsh. So I do like to use soft products like curl creams or anything meant for curls or curly hair. So I did go ahead and section off my two front pieces. Now this is optional. I just think it was really cute, so I went ahead and did that. But I am going to go ahead and slick back that top part. And the way I slick my hair, because I have curly hair, I only slick back that top part. I don't slick back going all the way through the ponytail, really like halfway, so that my hair can maintain being straight at the top and be curly at the ends. Now I'm going to go ahead and just tie off that top part of our half up, half down. Now you do want to take your time with this. Definitely be careful. I don't suggest you rush it because that top part of the ponytail can bump up and then you're going to have to redo it. So I do advise you to take your time, go slow, and make sure you're pulling that hair tight to be slicked back. Now since I do have bangs and short pieces in the front of my hair, they never really tend to fit in the ponytail. They never get to be able to pull back that far. So I do take these little clips and I clip them down so my hair can be flat at the top and not be bumpy. That we would remain friends, but you know that Now I did go ahead and I added some more mousse to my curls while in that style. This is so my curls can curl up a little bit more and look, not as dry as they were looking, and look a little bit more wet because I was going for more of a wet look today. So I did go ahead and add that mousse, and I'm just going to add that product in there, fluff my hair out a bit to make it look really, really cute. Then I went ahead and proceeded with doing my edges. So like I said before, I do not like to put gel in my hair. So I did end up using that same curl cream as before on a edge brush or edge comb, whatever you would like to use. And I just went ahead in C motions and basically curled up my edges.
Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should have figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Now to add the flower clip, which was my favorite part of today's video and today's hairstyle, I was really trying to figure out where I wanted to put it. So I thought it would look cute right up here on the side next to the top of the ponytail. So I stuck it down and everything just came together. Everything was super, super cute, which I love. So this is going to be the final result for today's video and today's hairstyle. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Of course, I thank you guys so much for watching the video, especially if you watched from the beginning to the end. Go ahead and follow my social medias. I'm going to put them on the screen. Then I'm going to catch you guys in the next video.